Do you struggle with this also? ChatGPT only giving you fluffy answers and you struggle with it for a long time to get like what you requested from it? Well, I struggled with that for a long time, and I finally found the answer in a random Reddit post, and I'm gonna share it today with you. It's like a really simple trick. It will surely help you. So let's zoom in. Let's say give me of a list of 5 famous recipes in the world. ChatGPT will give me a lot of fluff, aka this writing. Sure, I can share a selection of 5 globally recognized recipes, and sometimes we only need like a list, and we don't need this. So yeah, Japanese sushi, Indian butter chicken, French coq au vin, Italian pizza margherita, and yeah, it's a lot of fluff. And this is the trick. You will only write this, no prose, at the start of your prompt, like this. No prose in brackets, and let's see the result. A simple list. And this is the trick. And it really helps you with getting consistent outputs. I hope this will help you in your content creation using ChatGPT or your daily usage. And if you like this video, please check the other videos I've made and the upcoming ones. I will provide a lot of tricks like this that will surely help you in your daily workflow. Thank you.